Hello my crafty friends. I have another haul for you today. This may be the last one for a long time, but like I said before, not only am I helping, or at least in my mind I'm telling myself I'm helping small business get through this, but also, you know, I'm telling myself it's my birthday coming up and I'm going to be in, you know, isolation, so I should get a present, right? Alright, so anyway, this one is from Scrapbook Pal, as the opening said, so let's go ahead and take a look. As some of you know, I actually do videos for Scrapbook Pal, and so a lot of the goodies I got will be things that I will use towards the next video. And I always post in my community page, so if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I post on the community page, which will just pop up in your feed, that when a video usually gets posted. So anyway, yeah. Alright, so I wasn't able to get my hands on all of the new alcohol inks. The greens, I think, are the ones that the greens and I think one other I wasn't able to get a hold of. So these are 3 of the new ones. And this one has like cobalt, boysenberry, and let's just open it up. Let's just open it up. And y'all know I really do like alcohol inks. I love to play with the alcohol inks. So cobalt, boysenberry, and vineyard. And it looks like they're going to be some pretty bright colors. So I have some plans for this with one of the videos that I'm going to do for Scrapbook Pal. And then this one has gumball, fiesta, and rosewood. And so, yeah, let's take a look. I'll just pull them out of the package and have fun. Alright, so yeah, Fiesta, Gumball, and Rosewood. So I like how vibrant the new colors are. I was bummed to not be able to get the green. And it's a blue. I think, is it a blue one? I don't remember. I think it was like blues and teals maybe. Anyway, so Ember, Sienna, and Dijon. Alright, so that's cool. 9 new colors. Very good. Let's just take those. And then I went ahead and got some more Avery Elle, because y'all know I love some Avery Elle too. And I got this one. This is the Astronauts stamp set. This one is brand new still, just recently released. And I know that I'm sure y'all have seen this one. Oh my gosh, I've never really quite paid attention. I just always paid attention to the cute little astronauts, but look at the moon. He's holding a piece of cake. I love it. And then this little alien. If that doesn't look like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. It looks like a little alien form of Piglet. I love it. And it has, have a stellar birthday. You're out of this world. Have a blast today, and to an astronomically good friend. I like that. That's really cute. And of course it's got little stars, little like pieces so you can make like a meteor shower if you wanted. You got the little line here, like a little burst of stars. But I can't get over how stinking cute that moon is. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with that. And then I did get the matching dies to go with it. And that's cool. Even one of the dies will cut out like the little dipper here. That's awesome. And then, oh, it's like it's a balloon. That's cute. Golly, I just need to pay more attention because that is adorable. All right, so there's that. And then I also got this one, which is the speech bubbles. So I like that it has 2 different kinds of speech bubbles. And then we have All My Love, I'm Here For You, You Are The Best, Simply Superb, Make a Wish, High Five, Hello My Friend, Thank You, and Feel Better. And then I did get the matching dies. So here it looks like you've got something that would almost like water splashes, but I'm, you know, assuming you could just make it, you know, to embellish the sentiment. And then this one, which would be like just some little straight lines there. Very, very cute. So that's that. And then the final things that I got, of course, adding to my Copic collection a little bit more, because I got to. I posted on one of my Instagram stories that my stepdad, he's so awesome. He made me a Copic marker holder, and like I have wanted one ever since I had Copics, or since I started buying them, and I just never afforded to get one because they're, you know, a little pricey, and he made me one. So I love it so much. All right, so I got 4 colors to add to my my Copic collection. Here's my hex chart because I'm slowly filling it in. And these ones are YG21, YG13, YG25, and YG17. So there they are. And then I'll just mark them on here and be able to put them in my little case, my container. All right, so like I said, all this is from Scrapbook Pal. I'll have their YouTube channel linked down below so that you can go follow them if you'd like, because there's usually, I think, like 3 videos a week at least. And there's always, you know, a lot of great stuff going on, and their blog has something pretty much every day. So I will link to them down below. If you like this video, hit the like button, and of course subscribe, and then you might want to hit the little notification in case so you don't miss anything. Like I said, I usually post on my community page when I have a new video for them, and I wouldn't want you to miss it if it's something you're looking forward to. All right, so I will see you very soon in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.